drive and down to the Sappi site where they just took down the building about an hour ago. Already half an hour or so.
Yeah. I think it was done at 10:39 or something like that.
Wow.
It was posted.
Where the hell did it go?
It is.
Oh, there it is, right there.
Yep.
Wow. Look at all the people out here taking pictures.
Still full of traffic.
Yeah. There it is, all down right there. It used to be a big old building right there. And you can see what it looks like. It's all smashed up right over there. Fell over. That is just very cool. All the people here parked. There it is right there. You can see the whole thing falling over.
Wow.
Wow. That is just too cool. And it literally just fell over. It's not like it fell on the road or anything.
Yeah, the way they had it.
But the thing is, that still looks like it could come over. All the machinery and stuff that's still in that building. Wow.
Did your dad say he was going to drive by and take a look?
It's just massive. I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so. That is just amusing as hell.
That blast really went right through you.
And it did. Still the towers. And it's amazing the towers stand up afterwards. They're still standing.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Look at all the people parked on the side of it. Look at the dust and smoke coming out of it still. Wow.
You'll have